Hello Squarespacers, welcome to another SQSP Starter blog tutorial. I'm Asiya Rahman from SQSP Starter team. In this series of tutorials, you'll learn how to get started with Squarespace. So if you're a beginner, you are at the right place. Today, we are going to learn how to add additional information to products in Squarespace. The additional information portion is a customizable part on the Squarespace product page that allows adding extra information to your products. This portion is presented below the main description of the product and covers the information that cannot be added to the main description. For example, if we want to add some care instructions, safety precautions, or how to use a certain product or any information that can help the customers to think and about purchasing their particular product. So we'll add such information in this portion of the website. Using the Squarespace editor, we can customize this portion and can add more information by adding multiple sections. And these sections can be used to provide all the relevant information that is needed to guide customers about any certain product. So let's jump into our website and see how it works. So I'll go to the store pages or store page of my website. Okay, so I'll take any product and edit it. For example, I'm taking the first one product and going down, you see below the main description, we have the additional information section. So I'll just click on it and you'll see it gives me some custom block, like the custom element or a text block element that the Squarespace has. So I can use all the elements that are present inside the Squarespace and can design this or adjust this part of the website. So let's take some spacers and try to adjust. Like I'm thinking to add an image and I'm thinking to add some text elements. So let's see how we do this. Let's make it in two parts and take this. Okay, so I guess I have already some text copied over here. Yeah, I have some text copied. I added some dummy text over here in the text portion, in the text block. And let's take an image from your system. We can add or upload. Let's go to my downloads and see if I have an image. So I can add this image. So once the image is added, like you can customize or adjust it according to your requirements. So once the image and the text block element is added, I'll just save these changes. So let's go ahead and apply. Okay, it is applied. Let's save it and see how it shows up. Okay, so let's click on our first product and see how it goes. Let's enlarge this, please. Okay, so scrolling down, we see we have already the variants that we added in the last tutorial, and then going down, we have the image, like the additional below this main description, all of this main description, we have this additional information. So here you can add any kind of information. You can add details that Squarespace doesn't allow you to add over here. So you can add those details, those information over here that would help you customer to, like, they will act as a guide and your customers would be able to think about purchasing that particular product. So that was all about the Squarespace additional information block element and any product page. And in the upcoming tutorials, we'll learn more about the commerce element in the Squarespace. So stay tuned for more elements and don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Until then, take care and bye.